Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. We bowl off with cricket as Evan Lewis's 176 and Alzarri Joseph's 5-wicket haul were not enough as the Windies lost by 6 runs via the Duckworth-Lewis method in their 4th one-day international in London on Wednesday. Now batting first, the Windies amassed 356 for 6, but with England reaching 258 for 5, 6 runs ahead of the Duckworth-Lewis par score, the rains came and ended the contest. Let's take a look at the highlights.
Taken, yes, one of those 3 slips. This is a good ball from Wokes. Like it again, and this time the finger does go out. Again, shuffling across, and yeah, Marlon Samuels just crab-like across his crease.
50 for Evan Lewis. 7 fours from 52 deliveries.
That's very delicate, very well played, and 4 runs.
Yeah! That sounds as if it was an edge. Yes, he's gone. Good shot. Very good looking shot. Another one goes all the way. That's gone pretty fine. Is it going? Yes, it's gone. And that's 3 figures by Evan Lewis, and what an innings.
Well, that's a strong shot down the ground. No hint of an edge there. Into the crowd for 6. 50 for Holder.
That's the area he's concerned about. That's 6, and that's 150 for Lewis. That'll hurt. What a shame. It really is. I mean, that is a quite brilliant knock. Full toss. It's gone a long way up. Should be taken, should be caught. Is caught.
Got that away nicely. Just straying in line was Jerome Taylor.
50 for Jason Roy.
That is just a sweet shot. Gave himself a bit of room. Smashes it back straight. 100 up. Ball nicked, gone. Tried to work it down to 3rd man. Edged and gone again. Yup. Edged and in the gap. In the gap. Oh, there's a little nick there. I think there is a little toe end, you know. He is. All the way. And what a grab. What a brilliant, brilliant catch. Edged and Gale. Crystal Gale diving to his right. 5 for Alzarri Joseph.
There's that scoop. It's brilliant batting. The crowd know what the situation is because that push through the offside has brought in enormous cheer. England are currently 6 ahead as the game stands, and the umpires decide that the rain is coming down too heavily and will take the players from the field.
It's not pleasant out there, and the handshakes all round. That's the end of it, and it's a shame that it finishes like this because it had the makings of a really exciting game.